Alright guys, we got a major tornado outbreak to talk about. Major severe weather in the south. We need to be getting ready right now, guys. I'm sorry for the late notice on this. It's just this is already beginning and we need to get this out very fast. Because as of recording, this is already cells possibly capable of producing a tornado. One right now is already tornado warned, and it's only 8:35 in the morning. So this is a very, very violent environment. So we really need to be warning the people in this area of the region about these storms that are incoming for them now. And also, multiple tornadoes happen to the north of New Orleans and to the west of Mobile, Alabama. So this is the kind of things we can expect. And the day before this, we had another tornado outbreak of sorts in Texas. And this one, it appears to be more intense than all of those. But you can see here the day one outlook is very, very large. I mean, we have a moderate risk down near Jackson. Then the regular thunderstorm risk goes from Oklahoma City to Charlotte, Tampa. So, yeah, we have a very big risk here. So the general thunderstorm risk means just your normal thunderstorms. It could be a little bit stronger than normal, but practically your normal thunderstorms. As you can see there with that label. Then we have the marginal risk. That includes Atlanta. That includes Nashville, parts of Memphis, Houston. Then we go on to the slight risk, which I'll talk about in the next slide. But that includes Dallas, Memphis, parts of extreme western Atlanta too, as well as parts of Houston. So, yeah, that's pretty big. That's a really big slight risk now that we've gotten throughout the South and Texas. There's another look at that slight risk I was just talking to you about. Now to the enhanced risk. This is where we're expecting major tornadoes possibly. This is in Alabama, Mississippi, even parts of Texas now, and a good portion of Louisiana. We're expecting violent tornadoes here possibly, especially in that red area called the moderate risk. Those are violent tornadoes, violent. There's that moderate risk again. Again, this could be downright extremely violent tornadoes here. Not going to say it's happening, but it could. Here's a better look at that tornado factor risk for you. You can look at your area. You can pause the video and look at what risk your area has. And as of the norm, this is the expected rainfall outlook. You can pause the video here to see how much rain your area is going to get. Now, I'm sorry this is outdated, but we still have that tornado scale here. It's the experimental model. You can still see they're still showing that 30% chance of tornadoes from yesterday. So this is very, very interesting to see what's going to happen. So we need to keep these people in our prayers, the ones that are getting affected by these storms today. We hope you stay safe in these storms. But we also have storms tomorrow in the southeast. We have a slight risk, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia as well. And we are expecting some tornadoes with this system in North Carolina, Virginia a little bit, South Carolina, and Georgia. We have a 5% risk around the Charlotte metro, Columbia metro, and extreme eastern parts of the Atlanta metro, and a very, very large 2% risk factor for the southeast.